So, Louis the 17th,
This is like the best reference.
tiny little fringe.
Tiny little fringe.
So, you've worn a short fringe before.
We've had this fringe before,
Yeah, okay.
but I'd like to evolve it.
So do you want to sort of, it to drag down the side?
Yeah, less,
Yeah.
not,
Okay. So
not
there is
width.
there is a question mark in my mind.
Yeah, talk to me.
Let me just take this out. Okay. So, let's look. You see how it comes back all the way to here?
Yeah.
So none of this sits on anything other than your forehead. It doesn't sit on any hair.
Right.
Okay? So, let's look at that. But actually, do you know what? I think if we took a line from there to there, I think that would be okay. Let's start there. So I'm going to come in about this point here.
Mm-hmm.
So that will literally sit like that.
Mm-hmm.
Right. You just have to go for it.
You just got to do it sometimes in this life. Oh my God, we've done it. Yes.
Okay. We're doing it.
We've done it.
Oh, I'm loving it.
Cute.
It's just a touch, isn't it? It's just a hint.
Yeah. It just makes me feel like I've got something different going on with my hair without being way too garish.
Yeah, absolutely. And we can just give that a little bit of a bend.
Yeah, I'd love that.
And that'll be fine.
I'm falling in love with it. It's so weird. It's just, I love it. So my widow's peak is obviously gonna cause me some issues. How should I deal with this on a day-to-day?
So here, I mean, if this jumps up,
Yeah.
I mean, the thing is there's so little short hair that you can just join it in with the rest.
Okay.
But if you want to really make it kind of a thing, I would suggest putting a little clip there.
Mm-hmm.
So with this here, you could just go like that
Great. Cool.
and arrange it.
That's so nice.
Okay. So I'm just going to dampen that bit down. I'm going to use a teeny brush.
Great.
I'm going to take this bit here and just... and tie it up,
Yeah.
and you've got these little
Cute little.
inflections.
Pretty.
Shit, that's lovely.
Yeah. Oh, I love that, Greg. Oh, it's so pretty.
Great. And all this mass
Yeah.
stops this looking twee,
Mm.
and it's just a lovely little detail.
Oh, that's exactly what I wanted.
Wonderful. Thank you, Shiv.
Thank you.